everybody. Today is October 7, 2024. And I feel like a broken record. We keep being in the same range. You can see the balance, the volume in the middle of the range. Pretty, very balanced. We haven't really attempted to break out of the range. I mean, we tested the edges, but not really. There was not any follow through. So this day right here on Thursday was an inside day, and we had a bullish imbalance that got repaired on Friday. And now during the overnight session, we came back into the middle of the range where, you know, the 20-day point of control shows down here, but look at the volume here versus here, so it's gonna shift any second right here. And so for today, I'm just looking for more balance. As long as we're in here, it's gonna be, it could go either way. It's gonna be probably a little choppy. The best opportunities are gonna be at the edges of the range. So shorts around here, longs around here. We're also opening inside the range of Friday and inside value, so I don't think there's gonna be any good opportunities right at the open. So I would wait a little bit until this opens, give it at least the first half an hour to see if anything develops. And then we have some auctions at 11:30 and some Fed speaking in the afternoon. So we may get some chop in the morning and then attempt to either test the highs of the ranges from Friday and from the overnight session. If we get below Friday's value, I would look to see if we can get any follow through and test this untested point of control from Thursday at 57.45. And then test that day's value area low right here, 57.34.5. But you know, other than that, until we break the highs from Friday, then in the middle is gonna be a little choppy. So my ideal trade, what I wanna see is a break of the overnight lows, failing, moving higher and coming back to that midnight level of 57.96. I think that's a trade that we could look at after 10 a.m. But other than that, I would wait for the edges of the range. Other than scalping throughout the day, I would wait for the edges to get a better opportunities. Crude oil keeps moving higher, and it looks like it wants to test the 200 daily moving average. It did come and tested this high volume node at 76 that I had mentioned the other day, and then it pulled back a little. If we're able to get through the single print, you can see it better here, right here, the single prints from this session that started on Sunday night, then the target becomes this area, which is the 90-day point of control at 74.30, which also is where the midnight level is for crude, is very close to that. So breaking this below this distribution, in my opinion, we target that area. If we stay inside the distribution, then I'm looking for a move above 76 to test the 200 moving average, and you know, there we're gonna find some sellers, but if we don't find sellers, then the target becomes this area. I don't know if you can see the volume here from a while ago, and that's at 78 35-ish. So that becomes the target to the upside. Gold, same scenario. That's the last few days in this range. They keep trading through this low volume node. So this is gonna end up not being a they're gonna fill this area probably, and then the range, you can see the value area of this range is up here, value area low of this range is down here. So there's acceptance in this area. So I'm just gonna delete this because now it's not relevant anymore, and we have stronger support down here. And the 20-day point of control is still up here, 2685. And so far accepting prices. So let's see if we can keep trading in this range. But in the case that we break below this area, then the target becomes back and move back to 2600. I didn't go through NQ, but NQ same as ES, same in the range. Not much to say other than, you know, fade the edges just like ES. I have this let me see so we can see more clearly. This is the 20-day volume profile. So support around the previous week's low, 19.18, and there's some resistance up here, and then remember we still have a while till we retest all-time highs on NQ. But other than that, I'm gonna wait, see if something interesting develops around 10 a.m. and then I'll keep you posted if I see something.